I don't know what's the problem.
Okay, sometime it is a problem with a Skype. So let's go.
Okay, okay, no problem. Okay, so hi Anand. First I introduce myself, then you can. I know yourself very well, so
Mhm.
I know you know me well. I don't know you know or not. So my name is Sonam, and I live in Mumbai. And
Mhm.
presently, I am doing a job as an account assistant in a pharmaceutical company. And along with my job, I'm doing a study also. My final year of MBA exam is going. After 1 or 2 months, I completed my MBA also. And presently, I'm working my English communication more because my English is not good. So I have a one YouTube channel. I created my YouTube channel. There is I'm speaking with more people like for my improvement of English. So that is why I connected with you also for conversation English.
Okay, thank you very much, Sonam. So, first of all, yeah, how long you have been knowing me?
I started this thing March 2021.
Okay, you have started in March 2021, right? Okay, you are doing great work. Yes, and if you are posting your videos, then it is helpful for those people who think that they will only speak when they will be perfect. So right now,
Yes.
I think I'm seeing lots of videos on YouTube now. It is becoming a trend that even a beginner are posting their video. They are coming out of their comfort zone. They are trying to expose themselves in front of people. I'm quite happy. Yeah, something is going on.
Yeah, I can say it's a pandemic time, so the people have a lot of time to do
Mhm.
these things. So it is one of the main reason I can say the
Mhm.
people are doing this thing, and I think they are doing good because this is the time they can improve their self by like inspired by others. They are improving their self, so it's good for their side also. And
Right.
I also inspired by this. I watch a more of video like you people and Megha. That people I can say inspired. And you know the Arif Arto.
Mhm.
He is also the like a communication in English good. So I inspire all that people. So that is why. And you can say it's my requirement. Like my education is this much, and I want to speak a good English. That is why I want to like giving a more time for this thing to learn the English language and become a very good speaker after some time.
Okay, thank you very much. So, what do you think is the most difficult thing in English for you? What is the most challenging thing to overcome?
See, in my side, I can say I was facing a lot of problem in grammar. No, presently I'm facing, not I'm saying I'm facing a lot of problem in the grammatical part. I can
Mhm.
speak, I have a fluency, but
Mhm.
I mix up my grammar like a past, present, like I mix up these things a lot of time in my conversations. So
Mhm.
that thing I want to improve in my side of conversations. So
Mhm.
I want to know how what I think what I do for this thing to improve. If you have some knowledge about this.
Of course, Sonam, let me tell you one thing that this is the continuous process that while you are speaking, then you will commit mistake, and it is very natural because if you will watch my past videos, then you will see that I was doing the same thing. Yeah, maybe I was doing the less often than others, but I was doing, and it is a truth that it is the truth that if someone want to speak English fluently or correctly, then they will have to go through this process. Imperfection only leads towards perfection, and even I don't believe in perfection. Okay, perfection is not perfection itself is imperfection. So
Yes.
I'm telling you one thing that just keep practicing and try to consciously decrease that amount of error that you are making right now. Just this is a way to improve. Otherwise, there is nothing else can improve you. Like I can't give you anything which will improve you in a day. It will take time.
Yes.
So do you have more questions? Otherwise, I will ask you question.
Yeah. Yeah. You can ask me.
So how long you have been knowing me?
I can say 4 to 5 months before I watch more. I'm not watching a more amount of your video. I can say, but whenever I see your video, I see your full conversation video. I don't want to skip a single minute of any. time, like I watch full video because I like your conversations more interesting. You're doing a conversation with anybody. It's very interesting, your video. So yeah, I watch a 4 to 5 video, but I know you before 4 to 5 months. So yes, in 4 to 5 months, I know you are 1 year, 1 year in YouTube. I think so.
It has been a year now, yeah.
Yeah. So I see like you are in Bihar, right? You are in
Yes.
Bihar living, and I just what
Hello? Hello? Yes. What happened?
just 1 minute, one call is came. That is the problem. Hello, now I'm visible.
Yes, now you are visible.
Okay,
Mhm.
but in your side is not.
No, I think it is a problem with Skype. So go on. Everything will be visible in recording.
Okay, okay, no problem. So what I found in your video, like in your conversations, like you are living in Gujarat, sorry, in Bihar, but you are like giving this like a to learn this language. You speak like in a very natural way, like whatever you are doing. I see you are going in a farm in your farm area, and that you are like whatever the thing is going on, you are like in this way you are showing, okay, in this way I also come in like whatever the thought and opinion you're sharing with your viewers and all that. So I like this thing, like in this way we can learn more. So whatever you are doing, so you can just speak the english english thing, so that you can improve. You don't take this like a subject. English is a subject and I want to learn. If you do this kind of thing, and that thing, it will be improving in your english communication, in your english communications. So I like this thing, whatever you do this in video now. So I always like happy to watch all this kind of video yours. So yeah, in this way I like you in your
Thank,
conversation.
thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I got you. So yeah, yeah, it is truth that I want to just show people that you don't have to be perfect because everybody was imperfect. Yeah, somebody just showing you that he is perfect now, but he is not trying to show you the way how he got perfect in English. And nobody is perfect, the truth. Okay, so just I am someone who is trying to show you imperfection and how the imperfection leads us toward perfection. So okay, so my vision is that I'm not like someone that when I will be perfect, I will be in suit and tie and I'll be telling, do that, do that. I don't think it is going to help you much. But while I'm showing you the path, let's see how it is leading me towards my destiny. It will be more helpful for you and someone. Okay, so that is my motto right now, and I'm working on it.
Yes, yes. That is the I like. See, I want a person. I watch that person who is a very simple, and with a simplicity, he want to improve. Like he know all the thing. Like he has a good amount of knowledge, but he show herself in a very simple way. So I like the attract. I can say I can attract in your side for your video because you're very simplicity and you're like you English is a very good. So that is why I like your channel and like all the things or whatever you're posting in your video. So yeah, this is.
Thank you very. So yeah, it has been 10 minutes. Do you have more questions? Okay. So tell me how you are doing MBA right now, and as well as you are working. What kind of work do you do?
I'm working as my job. Okay, I'm accountant, like account assistant job I'm doing. Under
Okay.
the accountant, under the CA, I'm doing a job, account job.
So do do you enjoy your job?
Yeah, I love my job. I can say I love my job. You can say it's my hobbies. Because in the pandemic is going on, people are like scared to go the outside. But I'm the very different kind of people. I want to go outside to do a job.
Uh,
So yeah, I love this thing.
so you are staying in Mumbai, but where are you originally from?
I am from Uttar Pradesh, from Banaras.
Okay, you are from Banaras. Okay, I mean the yeah, from the Lord Shiva. Yeah,
Yeah, yes,
mhm.
yes.
There is a lots of temple in Banaras, isn't it?
Yes, yes, lots of temple. But
Mm,
if you, I can say I'm not going more my village.
mm,
I all time live in Mumbai. So in occasionally purpose, I'm going my village. So I had not seen more thing in my village. So
mhm.
yeah, but something I see in my village. Because
Okay.
I'm always living in the Mumbai, na. So if you want to ask me anything Mumbai, what's a beautiful place and all that, I can tell you everything.
Mm.
Yeah.
So yes, so no, thank you very much for having with me. Do you have any questions? You can ask me.
No, no, actually, I just want to know, like, if, see, I'm the learning process now. So
Mm,
I just getting an idea with all your kind of people. So what kind of I will be improved in my communications. That is why I'm connecting you, and you're giving me like you can do this thing and this thing. So I will be apply on my communications. So hope so I will be improve some more. I can say it will take a more time, but I will try to improve this thing in a very short time. I can say within a month or 2 months, because I don't have that much of time. Like people are saying you are improving over 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but I don't have that much of time to improve this thing. In a short time I can improve. That is why I connecting more people to get a knowledge how what a thing I am doing for improvement.
okay.
Yes.
So thank you very much for having with me. Okay, definitely have a good day. I will see you in future.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.